Mr. Adas, you see here, wants to buy a tricycle for his son Arjav. He sees that tricycle has a price tag rupees 1000 and at that moment there is no discount. Can he pay rupees 1000 to shopkeeper and buy the tricycle? Is that the only amount he will have to pay? No. Apart from this 1000, he also has to pay something called tax which goes to government. So, apart from the rupees 1000, Mr. Adas also has to pay additional amount to shopkeeper and shopkeeper pays that amount to government. This kind of tax is called GST. Basically, it is the tax paid by the shopkeeper to the government for selling goods and the shopkeeper collect that tax from you. Assume the GST rate is 10%. Now, let's calculate the tax that Mr. Adas will have to pay. The GST will be 10% of rupees 1000. We consider 10% of the mark price. That will be 10 by 100 multiply 1000 which equals to rupees 100. This is the additional amount Mr. Adas will have to pay over an amount on the mark price in order to buy bicycle. So the total price of the tricycle will be 1000 plus 100 rupees and that amount to 1100 rupees. Let me give you another interesting scenario. Mr. Adarsh goes to shop after few months to buy one more tricycle for his daughter and this time the shopkeeper offering a discount of 40% on the tricycle. Now it gets really interesting. Now first let us calculate selling price after the discount. Remember the discount is always a percent of marked price. So discount rupees will be 40% of 1000, that is 40% of marked price, which equals to rupees 400 and this will be discount on the tricycle. The selling price will be is equals to marked price minus discount. For calculating selling price, marked price is 1000 and discount is 400. Hence, selling price will be 1000 minus 400 which equals to 600 rupees. Now, there is a tricky part. Mr. Adas has to pay GST too. The important question is, he will pay GST on marked price or discounted price? Well, GST is always paid on selling price, not on marked price. In this case, GST will be 10% of 600. Remember, 600 is the selling price, which will be equal to 10 by 100 into 600. Hence, GST equals to rupees 60. So, the total price Mr. Adarsh will pay this time is 600 plus 60 rupees, that is 660 rupees in all.